All right, KB Homes. This is actually the garage. This is the 1718 floor plan. Everything is base in this except for the flooring. So this is very nice width of the hallway.
That could also be a fourth bedroom, that den. It's gonna be granite, moving forward, yes. We did have the Formica, but now we're moving to granite. We just haven't had a chance to do the models yet, we're still.
So this is currently a den, but you can make it a fourth bedroom.
Yuma Road, Yuma and Citrus over in Goodyear.
Yeah.
We have some different floor plans that I do.
Okay.
They're gonna be higher priced
We do have a
because of
pantry over
the,
there.
Oh.
So we include the foot ceilings?
Yeah, we need a walk-in toilet, not a.
That's an option with us.
so
No, this is she lives here in.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Okay.
and she lives in the new house.
So let me ask you that spec property that is the 391,990. Is that a tub shower combo or is that a walk-in
Walk-in
shower?
Yeah.
So it's a walk-in shower.
I don't have
Okay.
any tub shower combos out there right now. So if you wanted that, you probably have to build.